Okay, we start exercise for log. Okay, two questions. Okay, go one by one. Okay, differentiate of the following with respect to x. Given this simple, then the second is proof. So, proof. So we go one by one. So this is actually the actual is ni a gx equals ln m over n. Okay, using the second law of log. Okay, and then it change to this one minus 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 yang a. For a, the real question is g x equals ln x minus 2 square over square root of x squared plus 1 and x not equal to 2. Okay, now kita apply the second law of log. Ln m over n can be written as ln m minus ln n. Apply. So the right one is x minus 2 squared minus ln third x squared plus 1. And then the third law, ln m power a can be written as a ln m. Okay, here they use the third law. 2 ln x minus 2 minus half ln x squared plus 1. Stay in bracket. So here is actually I don't still not differentiate. Still use gx. Gx. Next, I'm going to differentiate the function g. Once you differentiate, write down g prime. Okay, that g prime. Okay, here is two constant. Ln turun darjat. Differentiate x minus 2 get 1 x minus 1 over 2. Ini turun darjat x squared plus 1. Differentiate x squared plus 1 to x. Now just the adjust. Kita show, ada show no. Okay, simple je. Just adjust. Minus ni can be cancel. X over x squared plus 1. Done. Stop until here. No need to. So, don't have to continue equate the denominator. That's it. Okay. Okay. The second B. The question B is H. Hx equals ln x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay. Still use the second law of log m over n. That is ln m minus ln n. Okay, so this one can be as x minus 1 minus ln x plus 1. And now kita differentiate h. Okay, just differentiate h. You akan dapat h prime x 1 over x minus 1. Differentiate x minus 1 denominator get 1 minus differentiate ln x plus 1 get 1 over x plus 1. Then differentiate x plus 1 get 1. Okay, now you get 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, can you start until here? Up to you. Say that you want to proceed. Just proceed. Too easy, right? Ini is x squared plus minus 1. Then dapat cancel 2 over x squared minus 1. Habis. Say that, okay, what happened when still I forgot the law. I can't remember the law of logarithm, law of log. How to differentiate without using the law? Yes, alternative alternative method. Okay, say that this is hx, bit long, x minus 1, x plus 1. H prime x, okay, say you don't want to use law. Okay, this is turun darjat juga, x minus 1 over x plus 1. Then you need to differentiate whatever in the bracket. This one use a quotient rule. This one use quotient rule. Quotient y equals u over v. Okay, means that u equals x minus 1. Okay, u prime equals 1. V equals x plus 1. V prime 1. Okay, so y prime equals u prime v minus u v prime over v squared. So, next step. A bit longer lah. Okay, so hash prime x. This one is use the concept ni tadi, x plus 1, x minus 1. Then okay, yang ini u prime v 1 dot x plus 1 minus x minus 1 over v is x plus 1 squared. Okay, and simplify x plus 1 minus x plus 1 over x plus 1 squared. Then simplify, cancel, get 2 over x minus 1, x plus 1, or 2 over x squared minus 1, done. So you have two methods. Okay, so up to you. Okay, say that if you're confident enough to use law of log, please use law of log. It's very easy actually to differentiate using law of log before you differentiate. Okay. So this is part B. Part C. Okay. Yeah. C. Okay. C. The pattern is ni. Ln m times n. Ln m times n. Law, the first law is ln m plus ln n. So, okay, ada still lagi y. Ln x squared plus ln e power third x. Then use the third law. Ln m power 8 can be written as ln a ln m. So, still lagi under y to ln x plus third x ln e. Ln e is equal to 1. So, and then you just rewrite third x like this atau terus direct kan. Then differentiate. Once differentiate, write down dy dx. 2 is constant, darjat turun, and then 1 plus ini, this one is like that one kan. Terus direct macam ni. Macam tu. Okay. Then simplify 2 over x plus 1 over 2 third x. Okay. Can I stop sampai sini? Yes. Can stop until here. Dah settle. Okay. Habis. For example 1, A, B, C, go to second exercise. Second exercise is mana dia? Okay, this is the second exercise. The number 2, second exercise. If y equals ln x over 2x minus 1. Prove that, this is quite tough soalan ni. Okay, very good so tough. Okay, minus 4x minus 1 dy dx squared is equal to 0. Okay, either you find dy dx, d2y dx squared separately, then take from left hand side, substitute, show is equal to 0. That is one method. Okay, the express method is you adjust the given question and comes out to shown macam ni, express punya. Up to you kan. So I'm going to show how to get this one without substitute get 0. Yang get 0 tu you do on your own. Okay, cari dy dx, d2y dx squared, substitute equal to 0. This is first method, method 1. Okay, second method is adjust this one and show like this one. Okay, so up to you, okay. So I try to do this if I can. It's okay. The first thing is, okay, because of law, just apply the law, the second law of ln. Macam tu, quite simple. Okay, and differentiate 1 over x. I think this one is better substitute, but it's okay. Okay. 2. Now you get that one is 1 over x minus 2, 2x minus 1. Then the next step, I'm going to differentiate for one more time. Quite tough, but it's okay. Okay, better substitute and show the same like first method, but it's okay. Okay, so now ini, okay, it's okay. Try d2y dx squared. This one ni x power negative 1. This one 2x, this one negative 1, right? Okay, so got negative x negative 2. Okay, minus 2. Yang ini minus positif. 2x negative 1, negative 2, then 2. Just direct differentiate. Then next step, just adjust for you. Plus 4 2x minus 1 squared. Quite tough. But it's okay. Go je. Go with the flow. Okay, ni done This one done, settle. The problem is to get dy dx. That's okay. Equals. Okay. Okay. This one is double double. How to get that one? Quite tough juga. But it's okay. Kita go je, ikut the denominator. Negative 2x minus 1 squared minus plus 4x x 2x minus 1 squared. Go lagi. Expand. Negative 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 4x. Cari masalah Atau okay, saya apply ni juga. Square. So you akan dapat 4 negatif. Nampak macam Tak bantu. Plus 8x minus 1. Tak, jadi more complicated lah. Not good for this one. Not good eh. But it's okay. Kita go dulu. Kita take this one. How to get that one eh. Tapi cuba kita try buat. Mana ni? Tak cukup eh. Dari ni. This one. Macam mana? Where should I write this eh? Ni. 2x minus 1 minus 2x. Did I do scala's mistake anyway? 2x minus 1. Cancel dapat negative 1. Dia kakak better. Better kita 4x minus x. Better do this one first. Better differentiate this one. Quite better lagi. dy dx. This one quite tough. Okay. I think I better cancel that one. Wait Kita buat lain ni. Kita buat lain ni. So complicated. This one complicated. A bit complicated. Tapi kita cancel this one. Cancel Boleh go tapi tak mau. Complicated. Kita try and error right. Okay, saya try and error. Tak mau. Complicated. Try to go a bit slow. Okay. Sorry Okay. Kita try differentiate ni. Negatif ni still lagi wait. Okay. So dy dx negative 4x minus x. Kita try lagi second time. If not okay, complicated, kita buat first method. Okay, negative, positive 4x minus x. 4x minus x tak. Ini square. Sorry. I missed up Sorry. Wait. Ini 4x squared. 4x squared. No wonder careless. 4x squared. Negative 2. 4x minus 1. Apa dapat 4x minus 1? So you got that one is 4x minus 1. 2x squared minus x power squared. Check lagi. Okay. So now d2y dx squared. Saya cuba rewrite lagi. Nampak macam okay. Yang ini factorize x 2x minus 1 squared. Okay. If you check ini. Okay, saya buat 4 atau bring to one side. It's better lah. Ni saya bring to one side. Okay. d2y dx squared minus 4x minus 1. Rewrite saya rewrite ni. 1 over x. Okay, atau saya buat macam ni, you nampak ni clear kan? Okay, 2x squared minus x squared. Okay, is equal to 0. Kalau you compare, dari ini you compare, saya buat color apa? Color hijau. Okay, so here got negative Negative to refer to dy dx. So you can take this one negative juga. Negative. So jadi d2y dx minus 4x minus 1 Let's replace here is dy dx squared is equal to 0. Shown. So dapat. That's it for show lah. Okay. Jadi this is the one. Kalau complicated, you can use the first method tadi. Okay. Okay. So done for this part. Buat apa Sekejap wait lah. Kita tengok dia punya ni. Solution. Okay, that's it. Dia buat. Okay, dia still equate juga. Same like ni. And then, okay, something like shown. Macam tu Okay. Okay, that's it. Habis untuk yang log.